Welcome to Chris Farms and Extension Services alias Chris Farm Nigeria. We are into farm setup generally in the sense that we help in building or setting up the poultry farm, the fishery farm, the snairy farm, or the piggery farm. We specialize specifically on poultry, fishery, snairy, and piggery. Just these four, and these four we are specialty in it. We build, we bring in the machines, we bring in the cages, we bring in the beds or the livestock. We'll do the A to Z for you. So if you want to go into poultry, you want to go into fishery, you want to go into snairy, you want to go into piggery, and you're looking for someone to help you set it up, the A to Z, we can help you do that. So irrespective of where you are, or you're having an intention of running such a thing and you're looking for a specialist to help you do that, you are on the right channel. Just click on that notification button to be notified each time we upload a new video, and also give us a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that anytime we upload any video, you'll be the first to see it. For our returning subscribers, I'm saying thank you very much for always coming to add to our value. Furthermore, we want to say thank you for always we want to say thank you for always commenting and also sharing on our video. So today I'm bringing the owner of this site to the platform, so that he will be on the same page with us. Because if you give us a project as we are doing the job, we make the person to be on the same page with us, so that he can follow up what we are doing. Either the person is on the side, if it is not on the side. So this is a job we are doing. This is 8,000 and some fee fraction capacity, and on the 4 tiers. That is what we are doing specifically, and the design is on 4 tiers. That is to say 4 tiers battery cages, and is on a 4 row, on a 1 2 3 4. Via the pit you can count the rows. This is 1 row, this 2 row, this 3 row, and there is another row here which is the 4th one. This is on the 4 row, and we have done the foundation, we've done the walkway, we've done the pit, and we are doing the pillars. These are the pillars now. Then we have also started doing the beam, and we are reporting live on the site to show the clients where we have gone to. Before, you can see how beautiful the job is. The job is so beautiful. You can see it. You can see this way. You can see the walkway. You can see everything. So this is the stage we have taken the job to. We need some materials to continue the job. We would have started doing the casting of the beam now, but we just 1 or 2 things to fix up the material, fix up the beam, so that the work can continue. So irrespective of where you are in Nigeria, we cover the whole country, Nigeria, with our services. So if you want to go into a poultry farm, you want to go into fishery farm, snairy farm, or piggery, and you want to do something like this, why not reach out to us? Our numbers remain 080 36 92 57 18. Then if you're not in Nigeria, please put our country code +23480 36 92 57 18. Anytime you chat us up, the respondent will be there to respond to you. So since you've already seen what we are doing, you can see the good work we are doing. So we are going to take you to let us give you a simple rundown of what we've done here, so that you can understand what we are doing. So this pit specifically is on 2 feet, on 2 meters in to in. From here to here is 2.2 meters. So 2 meters apart. So if we are to get a cage, if you want to go for 4 tiers, 4 tiers is usually 2.2 meters. So we are taking in, let's say 0.1 meter here, 0.1 meter here, to give you 2.2 meters. So a cage with 2.2 meters can enter here conveniently. While here is the walkway. The walkway is spaced apart in 2.5 meters. Reason why it's big, so that there will be enough ventilation. Since the beds are on the center, especially this one on the center, we need enough air to cross. That is why you can see that the spacing is very wide. So as it is now, we are going to do a slope down from here down to the pit this way. Let me just take it to the pit. So if we are to do something like slope down, it flows down from that way down to this place. This is where the final sockaway is going to come down to. It's going to come out here. So from here, it's going to flush out from this way down to where it is called the sockaway or the sewage system. Down to this side, we are going to open it up down to this sockaway pit. You can see this is where the sockaway is going to stay, which is the sewage system. We flow it into that place for where we are going to also design our manure dryer. This is where our manure dryer is going to still stay. We are going to jam and floor it in the form of decking so that the place will be strong to carry the machine, which is going to be on top. That is why you are seeing pillars that we've set, and this is 20 by 10 feet wide, so you can enter what we want to design. So you can see how far we've gone with the job. So if you want us to do something like this, so just reach out to us. If you want us to design something like this for you, irrespective of where you are in Nigeria, we can also help you to do something like this. Our jobs covers the whole country, Nigeria, African countries. So whenever you want to do something like this, you can reach out to us. If you want to see our finished products, we can also show you. We can also show you the A to Z on how to do them. So when I talk about building, you can reach us to us, especially on farm setup. If you also want us for let us talk about the cages. We also do poultry cages. We design them as though it is imported. If you also want the imported one, we also have the imported one. If you talk about the machine, we have something like the manure dryer, the manure scraper. For that of the manure scraper, this pit now, the manure scraper scrapes it down to the pit before it finally goes to the sockaway or the sewage system. Then if you talk about the manure dryer is here. If you talk about the bed itself, we also have point of lay. We also have the old chick we can supply all over Nigeria. So anything you want to do about the poultry, you want to talk about the feed formulation, we also sell the machines. So anything you need, just reach out to us. Our numbers remain 080 36 92 57 18. Irrespective of where you are, just chat us up. A respondent will respond to you. So we want to give our customers optimum satisfaction. So if you reach out to us, we give you optimum job service irrespective of where you are. Thank you once again for choosing Chris Farm Nigeria. If you're a new subscriber,